कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि अगर घर में अपना खुद का होम थिएटर होता तो लाइफ कितनी फिल्मी हो जाती। और क्यों ना हो, आजकल जो ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स ने एंटरटेनमेंट का तरीका ही बदल के रख दिया है। नई ब्लॉकबस्टर मूवीज थिएटर रिलीज के कुछ हफ्तों बाद ही नेटफ्लिक्स, प्राइम या हॉटस्टार पे आ जाती है। और बाकी कंटेंट भी, जैसे कि वेब सीरीज, आईपीएल मैचेस, वर्ल्ड कप, सब कुछ 4K रेजोल्यूशन और सराउंड साउंड ऑडियो में स्ट्रीम होते हैं। तो सोचिए, अगर ये सब आप अपने प्राइवेट होम थिएटर में देख सकें तो कितना मजा आएगा। स्पेशली तब जब आपको टिकट से भी महंगे पॉपकॉर्न ना खरीदने पड़े, ना ही कोई आपके बगल वाली सीट पे आर्मरेस्ट के लिए झगड़ा कर रहा हो, और ना ही कोई आपके सीट के पीछे लात मार रहा हो। और बीच में अगर फोन भी आ जाए तो आप मूवीज को आराम से पॉज कर सकते हैं और जहां से चाहे वहीं से रिज्यूम कर पाए। हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अक्षय मित्तल है और ऑडिटर वाईफाई सिस्टम में हमारा मिशन है आपका ड्रीम होम थिएटर डिजाइन करना, जहां पे आप घर बैठे सिनेमा का असली मजा ले सकें। हम सिर्फ स्पीकर्स और प्रोजेक्टर्स ही सेटअप नहीं करते, हम एक पूरा सिनेमैटिक एक्सपीरियंस डिजाइन करते हैं। इनिशियल डिस्कशन से लेकर होम थिएटर के इंस्टॉलेशन तक, और प्रोडक्ट ट्रेनिंग से लेकर आफ्टर सेल सपोर्ट तक। हमारा मिशन रहता है आपको एक सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस देने का, वो भी सबसे कॉम्पिटिटिव रेट्स में। हालांकि काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड्स जो हम डील करते हैं ऑनलाइन भी अवेलेबल होते हैं, पर ये काफ़ी टेक्निकल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिनकी सारी बारीकी अगर आप नहीं समझ पाएंगे तो इनका पूरा मज़ा नहीं ले सकते। और हम हमेशा आपको ऑनलाइन से बेटर प्राइस देने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, वो भी फुल वारंटी एंड आफ्टर सेल सपोर्ट के साथ। हम जो ब्रांड्स में डील करते हैं, जैसे कि फाइन ऑडियो, एलैक, जैमो, फोकल, बोवर्स एंड विल्किंस, सोनोडाइन एक्सेट्रा, इसमें बहुत तरीके के सेटअप और कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस पॉसिबल हैं। तो आपके बजट और स्पेस में कौन सा सेटअप सबसे बेस्ट रहेगा, इसका डिसीजन आप तभी ले सकते हैं जब आपको एक प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं स्पीकर्स की बात करूँ तो इसमें ऑन वॉल, इन सीलिंग, साउंड बास, बहुत तरीके के लेआउट्स पॉसिबल होते हैं। वैसे ही एवीआर्स में एटमॉस, नॉन एटमॉस टाइप के रिसीवर्स होते हैं। और फिर अगर आपको ज़्यादा शौक है म्यूज़िक सुनने का, तो मेरे ख्याल से होम थिएटर से ज़्यादा 2 चैनल सेटअप आपके लिए सूटेबल रहेगा। इसमें भी देयर अ वास्ट रेंज ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स। ये सब सुनने में थोड़ा ओवरवेलमिंग लगता है, इसलिए आप हमसे डिस्कस करें ताकि आप सही डिसीजन ले पाएँ। हमारे सर्विसेज के लिए हमारे क्लाइंट्स ने हमें गूगल पे 100 से भी ज़्यादा 5 स्टार रिव्यूज़ दिए हैं, और उनके फीडबैक आप कुछ वीडियो टेस्टिमोनियल्स में भी सुन सकते हैं। ये सिर्फ रिव्यूज़ ही नहीं, हमारे क्लाइंट के खुशी और सेटिस्फैक्शन का एहसास है और उनका हम पर भरोसा है। अपने परिवार और दोस्तों के साथ अपने पर्सनल स्पेस में होम थिएटर्स एंजॉय करना, वो भी डॉल्बी एटमॉस, सराउंड साउंड और 4K प्रोजेक्शंस में, ये सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट ही नहीं बल्कि ज़िंदगी के सबसे बेहतरीन अनुभव में से होता है। और अगर आप अपना पर्सनल होम थिएटर डिज़ाइन करना चाहते हैं तो आप विजिट कर सकते हैं हमारे एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर में, जो कि आईलीड कॉलेज के पास तोपसिया में लोकेटेड है। यहाँ पर आपको प्रीमियम साउंड सिस्टम का डेमो लेने का लाइव अनुभव मिलेगा। फिल्में सिर्फ कहानियाँ नहीं होती, ये ज़िंदगी के जज्बात का कैनवस होती है, जिसमें हम अपने सपनों को जीते हैं। ये सपना आपका है और इसे सच करने का डिसीजन भी आपके हाथ में है। हमें कांटेक्ट करें फ्री कंसल्टेशन के लिए और अपने सपने का होम थिएटर बनाएं, जहां पर हर पल बनेगा यादगार।
मैं मनोज जायसवाल, जिमेक्स फिटनेस स्टूडियो बांगुड़ का ओनर बोल रहा हूँ। हम ये अक्षय मित्तल जी से कांटेक्ट किए हमारे जिम में म्यूजिक सिस्टम इंस्टॉल करने के लिए, तो ये हमको ये रिकमेंड किए। हमको इसके बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं था, लेकिन इतना अच्छा म्यूजिक सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल किए हैं कि बहुत पावरफुल म्यूजिक है इसका। और सारे मेरे जिम के क्लाइंट्स भी वेरी हैप्पी, बहुत खुश है वो लोग जिम से। जैसे लगता है पब लाउंज का माहौल बन जाता है यहाँ पर जब चलता है। और अभी एक छोटा सा इशू भी हो गया था, तो इनसे हम कांटेक्ट किए, एकदम घर के जैसा वो सर्विस दिए, प्रॉम्प्ट सर्विस। और आई विल रिकमेंड एवरीवन टू कांटेक्ट हिम फॉर एनी म्यूजिक रिक्वायरमेंट। थैंक यू।
Hi, I am Pradeep Chopra, Chairman of PS Group, and I lead, and I'd like to introduce and recommend Akshay Mittal, who has installed sound system in our new auditorium at the college at iLead. We had been really happy with his performance, his after sale service, as well as his guidance in helping us to take the correct decision. We had even taken his advice for materials which we have purchased from elsewhere, and he had been really good advisor and guide for us for even those material which we have not bought from him, on which he has not made any profits. So he is a good human being, a good person, and I have no problem in recommending him to whomsoever who wants to buy audio equipments and other equipments from him.
I am Dr. Shoman Basu. I am basically a radiation oncologist attached to AMRI hospital. But this is my profession. My passion is to listen music, and I have started my journey from 2011. This time I thought I will buy some high-end stuffs from Marantz, but I was searching from whom I can buy, because it's not a only buy. It should be a relationship between the customer. For that reason, I mailed Marantz, USA, and they have given me a number of MZ Audio. MZ Audio given me, I have talked to them, and they have told me there is no point of buying all the stuffs from Mumbai. I can buy it from Kolkata only. And I got the person's number, who is Mr. Mitchell. I called him. I went to his shop. I was just thinking I will buy one Marantz because I have already my Yamaha sound system. But when I went to him, I started talking to him. Days after days, I went to him. I called him so many times, at any time of day and night, and he has responded me very well. And that is the beginning of my relationship with Mr. Mitchell, who is just not a owner of a shop. Now he is my family friend. And he has suggested that what to buy, what not to buy for me, because I have given him some specifications. And then started my journey. I bought Marantz Cinema 40 and 50 along with Fine Audio 7.1 system. And it was an excellent experience for me, because it is not only about sound. Yes, the system is awesome. I can guarantee you the system is awesome. But the behavior of Mr. Mittal, the professionalism of Mr. Mittal, which gained my confidence. And I will suggest all of you, just have a visit. Who have passion for sound, who have passion for movies, just visit his store. Just have a chat with him, and you will be able to understand what's the difference between other people and Mr. Mittal. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Hitesh Ahuja and this is my home. I'd like to, most people would call this a testimonial, but I'd rather say it's an honest opinion, mine and my family's on their behalf. So I've known Akshay for the last year, I think, and he's been phenomenal with his service, his pricing, the products that he has given me, the support that he has given me, even small things like helping me how to operate the systems that he has provided me. So let me give you a small brief about what he has done for me. So I have a setup here, which is a LG projector. It's a laser projector with a Elite ELR gray screen. And we have a Denon AVR with a 5.1 Bowers & Wilkins setup. And we are so happy with this setup. It's beautiful. It's on our terrace. Besides this, we also have a lovely setup on the ground floor, which is a formal living area. It's a 7.2 Dolby Atmos setup with KEF speakers and Marantz AVR. Overall, everything has been so good that I have absolutely, I have only gratitude to thank Akshayji. He's been a real support I have a beautiful PlayStation setup as well. The guests, whenever my guests are at home, they really enjoy my setup here. So thank you so much, Akshayji, and all the best.
To start with a very quick confession, I'm an addict, a gadget addict, particularly anything to do with audiovisual equipment. This addiction started quite some time back when I was working with Gramophone Company. It started with a music addiction there, and then when I moved later on to Disney, it became a movie addiction too. And like all addictions, it just keeps growing. We were in Bombay for almost 20 years. We got back to Calcutta in 2010, and I discovered to my horror that the Calcutta that I left behind and the Calcutta that I came back to were very different, in the sense that very few people could guide you on equipment, audiovisual equipment. So much so that I had to get my guy from Bombay to install my home theatre in Calcutta Estate for 2 nights with me and set it all up. And thankfully I had no occasion to change anything for quite some time. If I had, then I really wouldn't have known who to go to. Quite by accident, I ran into Akshay, and the comfort that he gave me after I got to know him was incredible, in the sense that he is not only a guide and a counselor on the kind of equipment that should be bought, but to my utter delight, he started by saying that I don't want to sell anything to you because you have everything that you really need, which was enough to get me going. So in the 2 years or 3 years that I've known him, I picked up the name Muso 2 from him, 2 4K projectors, the Zapiti 4K HDR, the Zaidu, which I recently bought from him, and he set it all up, a Denon AV. So despite him saying that he didn't want to sell to me, he sold me quite a few. Oh, the Sonos ones. And what I like about him is the fact that he has very competitive rates. He doesn't oversell at all. In fact, he undersells. He understands that payment terms are important to somebody who's addicted as I am. So he's given me installments which are comfortable. All in all, his service is excellent. For example, I had called him yesterday that I was having some problem with the subwoofer. He's come already, checked it all out, and as a kind of reward he says that let me take a little testimonial from you. I rate him very high in terms of his product knowledge, and the thing is that he handles it all himself. He doesn't leave it to anybody, which is a comfort, because more often than not you're passed on to a technician or an engineer who may be good, but he doesn't have the same sense of involvement with the product that Akshay has. Very happy with what I've got so far.
मैं शिशिर गुप्ता, विनायक रियलटेक का ओनर। अक्षय जी को मैं कई सालों से जानता हूँ, और कभी भी मेरे को कोई म्यूज़िक सिस्टम्स का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है तो 360 डिग्री अक्षय जी मेरे को हेल्प करते हैं। कई सारे ऑप्शंस भी देते हैं और बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट देते हैं। सबसे ख़ास बात है ये कि इनका सर्विस बहुत अच्छा है, और आफ्टर सेल सर्विस भी बहुत अच्छा है। जो आफ्टर सेल सर्विस कई लोगों से कुछ प्रोडक्ट ले लेने के बाद में आफ्टर सेल सर्विस हो सकता है कि इंस्टेंट नहीं मिलता है, 1 दिन की जगह 10 दिन लग जाता है, बट इनका इंस्टेंट सर्विस मिलता है। और वी आर वेरी हैप्पी। अक्षय जी के साथ में मैं 4-5 जगह काम कर चुका हूँ, और मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ टाइम मैं इनसे ही काम कराऊँगा। थैंक्स।
This is Karan. I got to know about Auditro Systems through Google. I needed a full home theater setup for my room. I got the ELAC set up with the screen, 90s 2-inch screen, AVR projector, 4K projector as well. And I've been really satisfied with the delivery, the setup, the service. It's been a pleasure to work with Akshay and other systems.
I found Akshay from internet looking for an hi-fi music system. Basically a novice, doesn't have too much idea of how to select a good quality music system. Knew a few names like Denon and others, but had no idea what a Denon does. My requirement was a music system without a mixer where I can do karaoke. So that was the main idea. And went to Akshay's place, got in touch with him, went to his place. He showed me a few systems, out of which there's something called Tone Winner, where he said you don't need a mixer, but just an amplifier can work as a mixer. Got the system. It needed a lot of hand holding from Akshay because, as I told you, I am not an expert on systems and how to operate it, but the experience has been amazing till now. Thanks Akshay for walking me on this path and getting me where I wanted to. And this has been the first 1 month I have purchased the system. I'm sure there's a lot to explore and understand. And I would recommend that in case you are looking for something similar to my requirement, this is a guy you can trust upon. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Pranay Rai. I'm from Darjeeling. Okay, basically I'm the public prosecutor of the district, and I happen to own a hotel in Darjeeling. So I was desperately looking for a very good sound system. Usually people from the hills they believe in quality and clarity. More than quality, they believe in clarity. So I was desperately looking for a sound system, and accidentally I came across Auditro in Park Street, and I was actually surfing the web and checking for good place where they could provide a sound system. And then I happened to bump into this place. Like coming to this place first, a person will definitely underestimate because he doesn't have a very fancy showroom, and where it's a lot of all that glitters is not gold. So when I came here, so I met this gentleman, the owner of Auditro, and he was very, very cooperative, and he showed me everything, all the nitty-gritties and of a sound system, what a sound system should be like. Then after that, I don't think he's a well-qualified sound engineer, but he's better, no less better than that. So I was very impressed. The first time I came, I took a sound system for Sonodyne. I think it was around 7 speakers with a woofer and an amplifier. Then after that, for my hotel, I needed those surround speakers. So I came here, and I was seeing is believing, and I was very impressed. Thank you very much. And the price is also very normal. I think it's more economic than any other places. Thank you.
रवि सराफ, मैंने ये प्रोजेक्टर 2018 में लिया था ऑप्टिमा का मिस्टर अक्षय से, और ये इधर 2-3 महीने से कुछ प्रॉब्लम कर रहा था, तो मैंने इनको फ़ोन किया। इन्होंने अपने आदमी को भेज के इस प्रोजेक्टर को चेक करवाया, फिर अपने वर्कशॉप पे ले गए, और यहाँ पे उन्होंने सर्विस सेंटर में इसको भेजा, एंड दे वर कोटिंग लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 80,000 रुपीज़ इसको रिपेयर करने का। मैंने तो उनको ये भी बोला कि इसको हटा के नया प्रोजेक्टर ले लो, पर ये बोले कि नहीं, इसी को रिपेयर कराएंगे विद मिनिमम कॉस्ट। इन्होंने कंपनी में बात किया, वहाँ के सर्विस सेंटर दिल्ली में इन्होंने इसको भेजा, और वहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ के कॉस्ट से 1/3 में काम हो गया। एंड ही हैव डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब इन दिस, एंड इनका आफ्टर सेल सर्विस तो सही में बहुत अच्छा है। थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Amardeep Jaggi. I got this projector from Akshay Mittal. He's a friend of mine. He's a cycling friend of mine. So I went to him for his recommendation, and he gave me this 4K projector. And I have mixed this projector with my Bose systems, and the integration has been very fabulous. And the best part about Akshay is that he's a very service-oriented guy. I have troubled him any number of times, but then also he came and he actually first I had mounted this projector in the middle of my ceiling, but then I planned to shift this ceiling back because it would give a very good look to my ceiling. And after doing that also, the quality of the image has not got reduced. I feel that when you go and buy a projector, if you can easily go and buy from Amazon or any other place, but why I would suggest you is to buy from a person known to you is because this is a very technical product and you require the kind of expertise in terms of service, which I would say is that you can get from this particular guy.
Hi, Siddhant here, and this is just a feedback for my music system which I purchased from a store in Calcutta. This home was done recently and I always wanted a high definition audio setup to listen to music, movies obviously, and these days web series and everything else in a very cinematic style. That was always my dream. So being so many options out there, I obviously did not wanted a home theater in a box kind of a setup. So I visited a lot of AV stores in the town and they all got me more and more confused. So I came across Auditro and there was so many varieties out there, and the best part was you could actually hear them hands-on before you could decide what you want. So Akshay, store owner, he was very helpful with whatever we wanted as a client, and his suggestions were really good. So we zeroed down to DALI Opticon series 5.1.4 full Atmos setup for my house. After he saw all the floor design and everything, that's what he suggested, along with 4K Optoma projector, and I think it is 120 or 125 inch Suvira motorized, fully motorized curtains. The entire execution was carried out very beautifully. In fact, during execution, he came up with the idea of giving us an automation along with the whole setup. So that would ease our life a lot and give another level of experience altogether. So automation was again done by Akshay, and it's a Hoger automation at our place, and that's wonderful as well. I would particularly say, I mean, we were not in the mind of like we have to buy it from Auditro or whatever, but once he gave us the idea, the taste of music and everything with DALI, it was just hands down that okay, that's it, we are going for it. And after the setup has been done, it's mind blowing. Everyone at our place is loving what he has delivered.
Hey, I'm Deepak. She's Sonal, my wife. We recently met Akshay, and he suggested a lot of things. We ended up purchasing this ELAC speaker. It's a 2.1 speaker.
It's actually LCR 3.1.
LCR, okay. I'm bad with the jargons of this industry. The speakers are excellent. It sounds excellent. The better thing is, the best part is the aesthetics of the speaker. I mean, it has really blended in very nicely. No wires being, all the wires are hidden, and it just fit the TV perfectly, the size and everything. Also, I had some speakers off the shelf. I got it from abroad, and it was a daunting task to get it installed on the wall. So Akshay again gave me the brackets, which just fit perfectly, and the angling of the speakers and everything has worked out pretty nicely, and the sound quality is excellent. So thanks a lot. I mean, even the subwoofers, I mean, everyone is appreciating it. The aesthetics is one thing, and the sound quality is another thing. So it is a balance of both, and did an excellent job. So thank you so much, Akshay. I wish you all the best for your endeavors. Thanks.